With apologies to those of you who have no interest in a basketball tournament, today's segment is all about the WOBM Christmas Classic, which begins this weekend at the RWJ Barnabas Health Arena at Toms River North. Presented by the U.S. Army, the 37th edition has all 16 girls teams playing on Saturday. The boys hit the court Sunday. While many know the history, even more do not. The tournament came about in 1984 after Southern Regional decided to discontinue the Roundball festival they ran for many years. I happened to attend a meeting of the 8 boys head coaches who participated in that annual event as they pondered the future of a holiday tournament. I not only suggested that it take place at Ocean County College, but volunteered to make it happen, as 2 of WOBM's owners at that time were active members of the college's Board of Trustees. Not only did we secure the facility from OCC, but we attached WOBM's name to the event, and it was an immediate hit as we had to turn away people from the finals. It remained that way for many years, and we decided to add a girls division in 1994, and with teams clamoring to get in, we expanded to the current 32-team format with the opening of what is now the RWJ Barnabas Health Arena 17 years ago. We have certainly come a long way from having the inaugural coaches seating meeting in my living room to now a dinner at the office, restaurant, and lounge. We have great sponsorship. We give all the players T-shirts courtesy of the Causeway family of dealerships, and we award academic scholarships funded in part by Community Medical Center. In the end, though, it's a tournament with teams striving to get their season off to a good start by winning a championship. However, you have to win 3 games to get that opportunity, and the quest begins this weekend. For more, visit WOBM.com. With the Hometown View, I'm Kevin Williams.